Alright, but as an additional close to this video, we take this boat out in the ocean in some real seas. We've been storm hunting. We finally found one. Blowing 30 knots. We got 6 to 8 foot seas, Coast Guard reported. Here I am. I'm doing over 15 knots, which is over 17, 18 miles an hour. Boat's not pounding. Truly amazing. Like a beach boat, but you have to get through some rough waters in order to get to all those pretty beaches. That's what we designed it and built it for. That was probably about a 12-footer. Thanks again for watching this video, taking the time. This boat will not disappoint you if you come up to Rhode Island and take a ride on it.